Well, this is one of my old motors here that it actually goes on that. Well, you can't see it, but just a riding lawnmower sitting back there. And no matter what I did to this Nikki carburetor, I could not get that thing to work right or to quit leaking. I tried different float valve, everything. It's got that plastic ensemble in there, so I decided instead of buying a complete kit, I just buy this carburetor. I believe it was 18 bucks. How they can do that, I don't know. I know it's from China, but still. Then you get this bag of goodies here too. It's about anything you possibly need to hook it up. I don't even know what this black gadget here is for, unless some applications you hook that thing on for. Maybe it's a preset throttle. I don't know what it's for, but nonetheless, I got this thing, and it's you can see here, it's exactly. Now this has got that little gizmo in there, but that don't hurt. I don't know what it's for, but anyway, you got your hookup right here, which is that one, and then you got your other hookup right there, which is the one you use right there. So works fine. Looks like everything's exactly the same on here. You got your fuel inlet here, and you got your adjustment there, and right down the lines. It even came with this little anti-backfire valve. So, and it's just like I say, it's the same old thing. So we'll attempt to hitch this on here right quick. It's reasonably simple if you get everything just the way you're supposed to there. It's got this little spring, which it's got to come out of there. It's got that little extra little hole for it right here, like it's supposed to. Well, these things are a pain in the rear inski, I'll tell you. I mean, I did have one little doctor's hemostat thing. Get in there, you. It didn't. Okay, let's see. I don't even know. Oh, hell, it's off the back here. I'm not going to mess with that right now. Like I say, it's for me anyway, so I ain't going to worry about it. And then this little gadget has to go up under here. A little something like this, boys and girls, and then in through here, do that little slot, and right through there. I might hook that spring up sometime, but I ain't worried about it now. And they even give you a gasket. And see, you've got these little holes here so that when you put your mounting screw in here, they're tight enough that they hold the gasket, so you don't have to worry about whether or not it went in there in the proper way or not. So there it is. I don't know. I guess them dampening springs are kind of somewhat important. I'll get my little things and come back and see what I don't know where them things are, but we'll attempt to persevere some other way here. Get this thing. You can't get it up too much. I got that hole drilled in there, and the crankshaft goes down there. You know, if a person wasn't half blind or better than half, they could do something too, you know. Get this little thing up in here, and a lot of the time I don't put these back on because it don't make that much difference. Get in there. And on these things you get ever so daggone close, but it won't quite go. Get in there, you. Get in there. All right. Where are you? Get in that. That's not. You know what? I don't think I want to mess with that. We'll leave it there because I don't want to fool with it. Darn it. I've been messing around with everything all day today, and half of it didn't go right, so doesn't need that if it's not worn too much. Get this stuff in here. And I'm not going to go through all the rigmarole of starting this up and all, because first off, I had to take the pan off, sump cover, whatever you want to call that thing, and put a new gasket in because it was leaking. And there's no oil in it right at the moment. So the gist of this whole thing was, and I don't have these are not the same. It's supposed to be like a number 7 or something on one of these. Maybe it's even littler than that, I don't know, on the end here. I just tied them up with these little vice grips. And that should suffice. All right, get up there. All right, now that's good. And so see your choke functions properly. And when you pull it back, it'll come off. So all in all, I think that's pretty good pretty good deal. It don't have Briggs and Stratton on the side of it anymore. But to me, that don't really matter. We plug up our little anti-backfire thing. It is interesting they don't have that because you get that mower good and hot, and you turn it off, you get ready to get off your mower, and kabam! Scare the crap out of you. But once in a while, you need a good laxative anyway. All right, well, that's enough of this malarkey. Everybody's seen it done before, but I just wanted to say this. I haven't started, but I have no reason to doubt that this will work because I've already put them on the Tecumseh, not this particular one, but I've exchanged them out with a new one on the Tecumseh here the other day. And a chainsaw, and I've never had a problem with them so far, but then again, we don't know how long they'll last. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing.